The easiest way to peel off the paper is on the bottom, from corners here, like that. Sometimes they don't finish them properly in a corner. Stuff like that. So before I do any wallpaper, I mask everything like that. Especially the PowerPoints. They need to be masked so the water doesn't get in. So this is one of the tools that I'm using for wallpaper to scrape it so the water penetrates it quicker. And why I'm using wire brush, because this is a plasterboard wall, so the wire brush is the best option to go with, because it's not gonna damage the wall underneath. And the one I'm using is flat like that, so I cover as much surface as possible. The more surface I cover, the quicker the job is gonna be finished. So this is how it's done. And that's how it should be done, that scratches like that, so the water can penetrate through, just to remove this glossy part of the paper. So it's gonna be a lot easier for water to penetrate. Lucky, whoever done this job before did not do a good job. So this wallpaper is coming off easy. You're just gonna need to wet it a little bit to remove this thin part of it, but it's gonna come off easy. See the way the things are at the moment, all this wallpaper will come off without wetting it, so it comes on big pieces and just a little bit left over there. But still I need to wash off all the glue, all the paste, once I remove the paper. And this is called what? All I have to do now is just wash off the glue from the wall, and that will be it for this part of the wall. And we have more to do. How easy was that? So basically all the wallpaper comes off. And that's the best result you're gonna get. Remove the wallpaper, not damaging walls. They're all nice and smooth. So I'm gonna go and get the brush and sponge and wet these little parts and wash the walls off. So this is the product I'm using from Zinza to remove all the glue from the walls, and the same thing, it works when you are putting it on the wallpaper to wallpaper get from the walls easier. What this thing does, dissolve the glue underneath the paper, so this is the good stuff. I removed the wallpaper, now I'm just gonna clean all the glue from it. So I'm gonna use a sponge because I don't need much. If it's a bigger wall, I'll probably use a roller or sprayer. This wall here, I don't wanna overspray on the glass, on the floor. It is a bit fiddly. Sometimes you sponge, soak it in, and I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then clean it with the clean water. Now I'm gonna leave it dissolve the glue, and then I'm gonna just wipe it off with the clean water and a rag, and it's gonna be ready for. So I just want to show you guys how easy it is to remove this wallpaper is now, just like that. All in one go. Comes up so easy like that. Once again, use the right products for the right job, it pays off. Painting. Now I'm gonna use a wet rag and clean all the water and the excess glue. So the best way to see the glue on the wall is if you look on the side. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you're gonna see it. That's the glue there, and this is all clean. See the difference here? I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but yeah, you need to look on the side like this, and when you clean it, then you can see if you cleaned it or not. Sometimes you have to do it many times over to clean it, like that, like that. See, there's still a bit around there, a little bit here, and under there, and inside here. Now it's clean, as you can see. Hopefully you can see it on camera, as I can see it like this. But yeah, it's clean. So this is the wall one that we removed wallpaper from. It's all the way down. And this is the wall 2, wallpaper removed. And this is wall 3, and it's the biggest one that I need to remove, and I'm gonna start it now. This is how it looks now. So this wall is done as well. It's the biggest wall, but just finished it. Yeah, this one's gonna be on a time lapse. If you want to watch it, you gotta go on the shorts and watch it on time lapse, or maybe I'm just gonna do a time lapse video just for this wall here. And now it's cleaning time. I have to clean all this, put the paper in a bag,